Hello everyone, this is Suresh from Azure ADB. Today our topic is on pandas, how to iterate list of columns. Suppose I have this many list of columns. I have one list and I have this many columns. These columns, how to iterate like this. Okay. So this concept now, so mainly we'll use whenever we are implementing SCD types. SCD 1 and 2 types. So this we'll see with the demo how to achieve this. And before watching this video, go to my playlist and in Pandas playlist and first watch these two videos, join list of strings and handling non-string empty elements and how to iterate this one. Okay, then come to this one, how to iterate list of columns. So in that videos, I explained how to join these strings. Okay, what is this syntax? Okay, you will clearly understand from those videos. Okay, so first, what is I have? I have one target underscore calls element, and in this I defined a list of elements. So these are all columns. Okay, so I have this many columns. So now I want to iterate these columns. How I want to iterate is t dot column. Okay, t dot column equal to s dot column. Okay, in this format, I want to iterate all these columns. So for this, what we'll do is, so we have join of strings syntax. As per the syntax, what is first one is separator. So here our separator is comma dot space and dot join and iterator. So here what is our iterator? You consider this thing as call, this whole thing as call for call in target underscore calls. That means this many columns. Okay, so iterating on this list one by one. But how it iterating that I given t dot call. Okay, t dot call. So whenever iterating, no, each column will come here. So first time t dot serial number equal to s dot serial number. Next, in second iteration, it will come t dot target underscore id equal to s dot target underscore id. So that is how this our output here. If you see here, first I given f function, comma, okay, single quote. You can see from here to here, this is single quote. So that's why you see here, first one is single quote, then t dot call. T dot call. What is our first call? Serial number. Okay. Then equal to is there. Equal to s dot call. What is our call? Serial number. Then how this comma with space is coming? Our separator is this one. Comma with space. That's how after first element it coming comma dot space. Next again t dot call. T dot call. What is our second column? This one. Target underscore id is equal to s dot call. Target underscore id. Then our separator is comma with space. Then it will come third column. Okay. Target version id. So like this, it will iterate all the columns. Okay. So if you want to understand more clearly, so here I will try to explain. So here I given list comprehension. So basic thing, first one, this one. Suppose assume that this whole thing as call for call in target underscore calls. If you write this, how it will do? See it iterating each element one by one like this. Okay. If you assume this whole thing as call, then this is a solution. We'll go little further. See here t dot call equal to s dot call. No, so instead of that, I'm trying to explain with first one. Yeah, s dot call. So this one will consider as call now. Okay, what is called s dot call. And since I given single code, no, so it will consider as a string, and the same thing it will iterate. Okay, even though it is call is there, and since we mentioned single quote, it will consider as string. Okay, so that's why this whole thing, no, single quote with s dot call, it iterating this many times. How many columns we have now? Yeah, that many times it iterating. Okay, so next step will improve further. If you see this and this, since it is considering string, no, so what I did is I applied a function and single quote s dot call. Then I am iterating. So now what it does, now it will consider as function, no? So s dot, what is call? First one is serial number. Next one is target. So that it will iterate like this. So s dot call. See here, all are s dot call. Okay, it will iterate. How many columns are there? That many columns. And we'll go little further. Instead of yes, no, I given t dot call. If you iterate this, you'll get like this t dot columns. Okay, and finally, I'm applying our this one, this one I'm applying here. If you iterate with this, first one is function, next t dot call is equal to s dot call. So this whole thing, I am defining as function. So what it happens, t dot call, first one is call equal to s dot call, first call. So it will iterate all the columns. Okay. So if you understand this one, then you can easily understand this one. So this one, what it doing? This one we understood. It iterating all these statements. T dot column name equal to s dot column name. And on top of this, what you are doing, we are joining this list of strings. This list of strings. How we are joining? With the separator, comma with space, comma with space. Then what it happens? We have a list of strings now. So first it will join this element. Then our separator is comma with space. You see this result now. See our first list element is this one, comma with space. Second element, comma with space. Okay. So this is how it works. If you do like this step by step, no? So you will easily understand this one. So this mainly you will use while doing SAD types. Okay. In further videos, you will see how it is useful while implementing SAD type. So that's all about this video. If you really like this video, please like and subscribe and share it on server. Thank you.